Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome, Motorfest fans. Ever wonder how to keep your pockets full in the vibrant world of the Crew Motorfest? Well, earning bucks here is key. It lets you snag those dream cars, upgrade them to peak performance, and truly make your mark on the islands of Oahu. Building up your bankroll means endless customization options and the freedom to conquer any challenge the game throws your way. Let's dive into some smart strategies to boost your in-game earnings today. The most straightforward way to earn money in Motorfest is by consistently completing events. Whether it's a thrilling street race, a challenging off-road rally, or a high-octane grand race, every finish line crossed adds to your wallet. Grand races, in particular, are fantastic for boosting your funds quickly, as they reward you generously for your time and effort. Don't be afraid to jump into various challenges. The more events you do, the more cash you'll accumulate. For those looking for the biggest payouts, the summit is where it's at. This weekly, rotating competition challenges you across various disciplines, and the rewards can be truly immense. Placing high in the leaderboards, especially in the top echelons, will flood your account with a substantial amount of cash. Even if you're not a top-tier competitor, simply participating and achieving a respectable rank still grants you a very healthy sum, making it a must-do. Don't overlook the daily and weekly challenges available in Motorfest. These bite-sized tasks are perfect for earning a steady stream of income without too much grind. They might ask you to drive a specific distance, achieve a certain speed, or win a few events, and they're usually quick to complete. Consistently knocking these out ensures you always have money flowing in, giving you that extra bit of cash for upgrades or new purchases. Finally, here's a money-making tip many players might miss: selling your duplicate performance parts. As you play, you'll accumulate many parts for different vehicles, and often, you'll end up with more than one of the same item. Head over to your inventory and convert those unused duplicates into cold, hard cash. It's a fantastic way to clear out clutter while boosting your bankroll, ensuring no potential earnings go to waste in your Motorfest journey.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.